Taste Holdings owns National Wholesale, Jewellery, Dominos, Maxis and the Fish and Chips Co. It's trying to get rid of National Wholesale Jewelers.
Exactly, not succeeding currently as far as we know.
And then it's also concluded a deal to roll out Starbucks in South Africa.
That's the big issue, because that one is the one that's going to be involved lots of spending, and that's why there've been lots of capital raising. And you know, the stores themselves, how many have they got open and up now? It's about 5, but they want to do potentially as many as 20 or even 50.
20 is a number in terms of rollout, but that's going to take a lot of capex, and you know, they're acknowledging as such, as you say, raising capital to do that. Market cap here of 597 million rand, no PE, no dividend yield.
They're not trading profitably, and that's what the share chart looks like. Drifting around.
So you said I could really come down hard on you at this point.
Yeah.
You close enough for me to whack you over the ear?
So we bought these in our portfolio. We had a little position, and then when we converted to the more long-term portfolio positions, we actually put more money into them. So now we've basically, I think this is probably our biggest losingest position.
Yes. Can you give him a hard time on this?
Famous brands over taste.
Well, we own famous brands
famous
too,
brands as well.
if it's any consolation. We shouldn't have bought any of these. We should have bought AVI with all of the money.
And now what do? Perhaps that's the only way we can take this conversation, considering you told us not to go.
How big is the position in the portfolio at the moment?
It's small. It's like a 2% holding.
I wouldn't add to it at the moment. I'll put it that way.
Well, we don't have any more money to add to it anyway. But
would you hold it? I mean, I suppose there's no. You can't. I mean, it's nearly at that horizontal line.
Yeah, you can still lose 100% of your value from any point in a share.
I don't think so that you would, because remember, this is a global brand that wants to be here. Howard Schultz came out. They love this market. They want to go big. The stores themselves are doing well. It's just a question of whether or not in this consumer environment you're going to be able to make money now or only much, much later.
Yeah, they can still roll out.
When we talk about much later,
you can also
what are
be
we talking
diluted
about?
to death on rights issues.
When I say we don't have any more money to put into them, we may well be asked to contribute additional money, and then we'll have to scratch around, find our dividend cash.
Much later, qualify. What are you saying, 10 years?
Well, I think either this company will be taken private, or it will make a big success of itself, or Starbucks themselves will come and buy back the master franchise or something, if all doesn't go well.
We're out of time.
So I reckon it's just one of those to hang on to, see how it goes.
I want to know whether you're hot on it, though. Paul?
Yes, would we recommend to others that they go in and buy it? I would say probably not. I would say we can hold it and we can be hot on it, but
I'm not going to. It's like you had a bad party and you phone your friends, come, it's really cool. No, it's not cool. Don't buy it.
Well, the analogy says it all, Paul.